Creating a professionally designed living room doesn't have to be researched for interior designers. With a few strategic tips and tricks, you can turn your living room into a stylish and inviting space that reflects your personal style. Casa Custom chair expert advice on how to make over your living room like a pro, ensuring it becomes a comfortable and aesthetically pleasing sanctuary for you and your loved ones. Begin living room makeover by careful plan layout. Consider the flow of the room and arrange furniture to create functional and conversation-friendly seating areas. Use rugs to define separate spaces and add texture and warmth to the overall design. A cohesive color scheme is essential for a professionally designed living room. Select a color palette that complements your style and home decor. Stick to 2 to 3 main colors and use different shades and tones to add depth and visual interest. Investing in high-quality furniture is crucial for a pro-level living room makeover. Choose pieces that not only match your design, but also offer comfort and durability. Opt for timeless designs that won't quickly go out of style. Professionally designed living rooms often feature
layers of texture and carefully curated accessories.
Add plush cushions, throws, and curtains to create a cozy, inviting ambience. Incorporate decorative accents like artwork, mirrors, and decorative objects to elevate the visual appeal. Lighting plays a significant role in setting the mood and atmosphere of a living room. Incorporate ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a well-lit and inviting space. Consider using full lamps, table lamps, and pendant lights strategically to highlight different areas. Lastly, make your living room feel like home by adding personalized touches that reflect your style and interests. Display family photos, artwork, or souvenirs from your travels to create a space that feels uniquely yours. Transforming your living room into professionally designed space is achievable with careful planning and attention to detail. Plan your layout for functional seating areas. Choose a cohesive color scheme and invest in high-quality furniture. Layer with texture and accessories. Utilize proper lighting and add personal touches to create a living room that exudes style and comfort like a pro. Casa Custom offers a curated selection of furniture and accessories to elevate your living room's aesthetics and functionality. Discover the ideal pieces for your living room. Follow us and get more details.